Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another data type of Redis and Laravel. So that will be hash in Redis. So first let's see what is hash. So hash is basically is a collection of field value pairs basically. So you can store multiple field value pairs. So it basically represents object that has like various attributes. So now let's see some basic commands. So hset is to set the value of one or more fields on a hash. Hget is to get the value of hash field. Hmget is to return the value of one or more fields. Hincrement is to increment the value of a given field. Field represents here is a key basically you can take. So hget all is to return all the fields with the value, and hlen is that how many fields total are there in the hash. So you can go through the documentation. So here you can find all the hash related commands. So I have just shown you some basic commands. So now let's see first hset. So you can see more in detail here. So write hset, you can see hset key, then field, and then value. So now let's see and create our first hash. So write redis hset. So write key as hash example. So now field we need to pass. So I'm just writing field 1 only as an example, and its value will be, let's say, 60. So now let's get this and print. So I'm just writing dd, write redis, and to get the hash let's use hget all. So pass first cache key, that is hash example, and then you need to pass field basically. So field 1 we have set, so that I'm passing. So now let's again print our one thing. So with hget all I don't need to pass field, with hget I need to pass field. So hget all basically will give me all the fields with its value. So here write printer. Now let's go and check in browser. So here first one you can see hget is giving just particular field value, and below it's giving with field and value, so that is hget all. So now let's see how you can set multiple fields and values, so that you can do using hmset. So here you can see multiple fields how you can set. So now let's remove printer and also remove this field 1, and here let's say write user, and now this hset I need to change to hmset. Multiple fields we are going to set, and here now let's pass this as an array. So here write name, let's say kt. So name here is a field, and kt its value. Example also is a like field, and this kt@gmail.com is its value. Third, let's say phone. So this phone is field, and its value will be, let's say, random number I'm giving. Okay, hash example I forgot to remove. So remove this because now our key is user, and here also print hget all as user key. So now check in browser. So here you can see now all fields and its value present as we have printed hget all. So now next let's see hmget. That so hmget is to get the multiple field value. So let's see. So right here printer, write redis hmget, and now let's get value name and example. So write first key user and then pass as array name and example. So let's check in browser. So here now you can see only value we are getting for both the key, both the field. So next now let's see hlen to get the length of fields in a hash. So write instead of this hmget, let's write hlen, and now let's remove these fields, only pass your key. So let's check. So refresh. So here you can see now 3 fields are there, so it's printed. So next is hkeys to get the all the like field name of the hash that are stored. So just write instead of hen, let's write hkeys, and just key is same as user. So now let's go and check. So here refresh. So now you can see field name is name, example, phone, all 3 are displayed. So now next let's see hexist, that any field is present or not. So here now let's go and see. So write hexist. So first will be your key, that is user, then you need to pass your field, basically name, that you want to check it's present or no. So now refresh. So here you can see 1 because name is present. Now I'm passing something that is not there. So now you can see it's 0. So it will be returning a bool 0 or 1. So now next is hdelete. To if you want to delete any field, so you can use this hdelete. So write redis delete hdelete, and now let's delete name key. So now let's go and check in browser. So refresh. So here you can see now name is deleted. So next is h value. So this will return all the values of your hash. So now let's go and check. So remove this h delete and write h values, and also remove this field name. Only user you need to pass, that key basically that you need to pass. So here this will be vals. So now let's check. So here you can see all values are there. So now next is at string length. So you can also check any field value length, that how much length is. So write at string L, then first pass key. After that you need to pass your field name. So here name I'm passing. So name you can see only KT I have given. So 2 length it's giving. So now let's check example. So example is having around I think 12. So 12 it's giving. So next is edge increment by. So this will increment the number in your field. So here write first, let's say hget all. So write hash example. In the starting I have set one field, in that field 1, that value is I think 60. So this now let's print r, and here write h increment by. So here field will be field 1 only, and I'm just going to increment it by 1. So now let's check. So here refresh. Error, wrong number of argument. Okay, hget all I have used, so I don't need to pass field. So remove that, and now let's go and check. So here you can see 60 it's having, and after that 61 it got, because 1 I have incremented. So that's all about hash. In this video I've shown you some very basic command that you can use and create hash in your project. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. You can try other commands on your own. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.